Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today we're going to see the simple project that is called student management project in Python. A simple code. So this basic project who want to learn and gain the knowledge in Python very helpful for you. Let's assume that program name is main student.py or whatever there. This is a program I'm going to execute in the Python ideally. If you want, you can execute in PyCharm, Jupyter, anywhere. So before going to the project and coding, you had know the details. So it's a project where we can say simple console based system, very easy to understand, where it contains the basic functions like input the we can add the student details like student name and view students list, search students and remove the students. So this is a fundamental and project useful for only beginners. So we are going to add the student detail like only name of the student. If you want, you can add the roll number, later the course name, address, and so on and so on later step by step. So here when you're adding, what happened, the user can enter his name and then system order the record and display to the user. Here there is no login page, nothing. It's a simple project. And also here the user can view the students, how many students. Let's say example 5 students is there, the name of the students will be there. And also we can say the user can search for the particular student, X student. Suppose I want to search X student, you can search with the help of search function and so on. And also here there is no database connection, neither externally text file or other files. Just you can save the data permanently and so on. So once execute the project, the student have option of view the student list, then add the student new list student list and edit and search it, search the student list, whatever one, and also delete also. If you want, you can delete particular student details, you can delete it. So this is a project. So let's go for the execution. Let's go for coding part now. So here we can write start the programming. Here we can write import OS and import platform because it's used to retrieve the information as as much possible here. Then I'm going to create the list, global student list. Then student list, I'm going to give the name like John, Peter, James, Alex. Do you want more, you can create more, no issue. Then I'm going to call the function called student management. Then I'm going to print the statement like welcome to college management. Just not even, just I'm going to give. So like that, college management system, what I'm there. Then I'm going to give the options like choice one, show the list of student, then add new student, choice number three, searching student and deleting student. So first one, try x equal to int input enter choice. And also you have one more option. If you don't want, you can give no option. When you give yes option, you can continue, and if no option, you can stop the programming. So here I'm giving else, hey, this is not a number. So we have the user, we can enter only the number. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4 or anything. If you give anywhere number, it is a certain number like that. Then student list. So I'm going to use the for if statement, then for students. In student list, I'm writing format of students, then I plus plus like that. As of you know the basics of Python. Then I'm writing enter new student, where you can write the student already in the table. Suppose I have a John, again enter the again enter to new enter the type name called John. It will say already in the table like that. Then I'm writing append. So student list dot append option. Then for students in student list, I'm writing so and so on. Then I'm going to searching option. Searching, writing student searching is called input of. So choose student name to search. Then I'm writing this is a record found on the student. For example, I have a Peter name. The record found it is a found like that. If not there, what happened? It's a known record found on the student like that. I'm giving James. The James name not available means it will say not available like that. So and so on, writing the continue the else if statement. Then I'm writing the function for delete. So I'm writing choose a student name, where I can write the function called if student delete in student list, then student list dot remove of student delete. So whenever want to particular X and Y data, I can export data. You can give the option of list. When you go option of delete option 4, delete the particular data. It may be James, it may be Peter, anything. Then I'm writing else there is no record found of the student. So if the all student not that, you say no record found that. And last, I'm writing continue the different condition definition of continuation continue again function, where I'm writing running again, that is want to continue the process. So whenever user passes anything here in the screen, it will ask want to pass. If you give yes, you can continue with options like either create a new student or delete the student, or whatever you want, such a student anything. If platform data system windows, then CLS, otherwise it will say clear. At last we can quit and give the continue again. So this is a simple project. I'm going to execute now. Already I pressed the execute button, so run button. So it's showing the screen like that. So welcome to and so on college student management like that. So I'm going to give the option of one, renew option. So what a list we predefined, that list is showing say John, Peter, James Alex. I'm giving into option number yes. So do you want to add? I'm going to add. So I want to add means what can I do? I can use. So I can know what option I given yes option. So I go to add some student name. Sorry, one only giving yes. So only showing the information. So I'm giving yes. Then option number 2 for add the new student. So I'm giving option number 2. So it's I enter the new students. I'm going to write something like Peter. So I'm going to enter. Let's see. Yeah. So already Peter is there. So we can give some other name like Smith. Then no, I'm giving cancel. Yes. Sorry, I had to give yes. Sorry, something happened. So once again, so like that you can continue. So instead of yes, I given Smith. So by mistake I'm typing. Sorry for that. So I'm going to stop the screen and once again run the program. Yeah. Share. I'm going to say sharing now. Yes. So there is no confusion now. Let them check it now. When I give option 1, this is the print. John, Peter, James, Alex available. I'm giving again yes. Then I'm going to give yes. So I can add the new name. That is Smith. When I give new name, it will be added. Yeah, we can add the students data successfully. We can add the Smith data here. And now what can I do means I can search for the record. So option number just I'm giving yes or no. I'm giving yes because I want to continue. The user can continue. Yes. So I can give the option number 3. So it is asking, suppose I'm giving Alex, it will search and say found. Yeah, there is a record found for this option. Now I want delete it. So I can give yes and continue. Option number 4. So it asking option number 4, which data you want delete, whom data you want delete. Let's assume that we are going to delete the data of Peter. So I can give Peter like this. It say yes, there is no record found. Then check Alex. Give yes. Continue option of 4. If you want means you can try. Then I'm going to give Alex like that. Yes. So now Alex data is completed successfully. So deleted successfully. We can give when you know you can come out from the environment. This is all about student management system. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. Yes, you can give.